variable called adjustment. Now, with this adjustment variable, I need to do the fourth step, which is to add the adjustment variable to the original values. So I need to do that for the resilience 1 variable and then separately for the resilience 2 variable. So I need to create two more variables: transform, compute, and resilience 1 adjusted is what I'm going to call that variable. And I just need to put resilience 1 in there and then add the adjustment variable that I created. Put that in there. So that's going to be my resilience 1 adjusted variable, and I need to do it for resilience 2 as well. So transform, compute, resilience 2 adjusted. So I'm just going to change the number here. I don't have to change the whole expression, so I just change it to resilience 2 adjustment and click plus the adjustment, click OK. So now I've got two new variables called resilience 1 and resilience 2 adjusted. And I'll just show you that the means are actually equal to the original means based on these adjusted values. So I can go Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and Frequencies, and I'll look at resilience 1 and resilience 2, but I'll also look at resilience 1 and resilience 2 adjusted. And the statistics I want are mean and standard deviation. Click Continue. And here we can see resilience 1 52.56 and resilience 1 adjusted is 52.56 as well. Now what's different is the standard deviation. 4.563 is the standard deviation for resilience 1, but is reduced very greatly to 1.61 in the adjusted variable. And the same adjustment's been applied to the resilience 2 variable. So the standard deviations are much smaller, and that's going to cause the confidence intervals to be narrower. So now I can create an adjusted standard error bar chart based on these adjusted values. So go into Graphs, Legacy Dialogues, Bar Chart, Simple, Summaries of Separate Variables. I'm going to throw those out and then put my newly created adjusted variables into there. Make sure my options, display error bars, 95% confidence, yep. And change statistic, no, I want to keep mean of values. Click on Continue and click on OK. So now SPSS has created a new error bar chart which has much narrower standard errors. So I'll just reduce the scale size here so I can compare it with the first one. And I had 40 to 60, got 5, click OK, upper and apply that. Okay, so now we can see that the error bars in comparison to the first one, if you look at the first one, the error bars they're not huge, but they're bigger. And then in the second one, the error bars are much smaller, much narrower, and they suggest a much greater level of statistical significance. So that's how you create adjusted standard error bars. This is based on the Loftus procedure that you can see in the how-to stats write-up for the paired sample t-test. I have the reference for the Loftus procedure that this technique is based upon. So I encourage you to check that out. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you next time.